Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit, click on Display and Brightness, and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!